Preface and Acknowledgment, in publication. In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, integrating artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into enterprise systems is becoming essential. Industries such as aerospace, known for their complexity, precision, and relentless demand for innovation, are leading the way in technological transformation. With over 4 decades of experience in the process, service, and software industries, author Pradeep K. Suri has had the opportunity to witness firsthand the challenges and potential that AI and ML present to modern enterprises. His work has encompassed multiple stages of aircraft engine manufacturing, assembly, and component development, providing him with insights into the transformative power of these technologies. Throughout his career, both in India and internationally, Pradeep K. Suri has authored 4 books: Success by Design and Practice, AI-Powered Enterprise Resource Planning, AI Modeling and Process, and A Journey into AI, each exploring how AI can improve industrial processes from design to execution. His latest book, AI/ML Model Architecture with Python, Live Programs for Organizations in the Future of AI/ML, is a practical guide for enterprises interested in integrating AI and ML models, especially in aerospace and manufacturing. Through real-world examples and live Python programs, he demonstrates how AI/ML models can be integrated with ERP systems and APIs to enhance efficiency, optimize processes, and drive innovation. Additionally, the book is supported by a collection of over 500 YouTube videos across various industries, including healthcare, engineering, and services, offering practical demonstrations, case studies, and tutorials. These resources provide a valuable learning tool for professionals and learners looking to stay up to date with AI/ML advancements. Having extensive experience in computer programming, system design, and system application development, the author brings a wealth of knowledge in designing AI/ML models that integrate seamlessly with current IT infrastructures, prioritizing scalability, security, and performance. The book includes hands-on examples of real-world implementations, with a focus on cloud-based deployments and architectures. Accompanying this book is a dedicated website, where updates and new content will be regularly posted. Readers will have access to downloadable PDFs and instructional videos, ensuring they remain well equipped with practical tools and the latest information as AI/ML technologies advance. As industries worldwide prepare for an AI-driven future, Pradeep K. Suri hopes this book and its accompanying resources will provide readers with the expertise and insights needed to navigate the complexities of integrating AI/ML into their organizational structures. AI/ML process flow, stages in the AI/ML pipeline. 1. Data collection, gather raw data from various sources to train the model. 2. Data cleaning, clean the data by addressing missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies. 3. Data pre-processing, transform clean data to prepare it for modeling, including normalization, encoding, and splitting. 4. Feature engineering, extract and create features that enhance the model's learning capacity, boosting accuracy. 5. Model selection, choose the best machine learning algorithm for the given problem and data type, example classification or regression. 6. Training, train the model on pre-processed data, allowing it to learn by adjusting parameters for optimal predictions. 7. Validation, use a validation set to monitor the model's performance and avoid overfitting. 8. Testing, evaluate the model with a holdout dataset to confirm its generalizability to unseen data. 9. Deployment, deploy the model into production for real-world data predictions. 10. Monitoring, continuously monitor the deployed model's performance, especially as new data is introduced, to maintain accuracy over time. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Thank you.